So it's Sunday, November 12th, and we're doing our favorite customers, favorite lawn customers' yard, and then the neighbor came over and said, "Hey, can we just do her little side yard just right here?" So we're doing it. It's snowing, just starting to spit a little snow. So, anyways, we still haven't put the bag or the baffles on the chute. I don't know why he goes around that, but he does every time. Anyway, there was a tree there. It ain't gonna hurt to go over. But anyways, we still haven't put the chute baffles in, so a little bit of leakage comes out. Not too bad. Anyways, we'll see if he can keep it going. We really gotta probably empty the bag here pretty soon. You can see the job it does. It does a good job. They do a lot better job. Watch this valve. I'll try to zoom in so you can. You can see it gets a lot of blowout. That baffle isn't in there. I might see if I can rig up a better baffle system so that it's easy on, easy off, and because it's nice being able to you know, if you're not going to bag all the time, be able to side discharge, because if you have the baffles in, side discharge, it clumps. Anyways, pelts the back tire, makes it dirty. Anyways, you can see it does a good job overall until Scout takes the shed out with the blower. He hit a basketball hoop or a basketball pole with the blower unit yesterday, bent one of the tabs, mounting tabs, and had to straighten that out. We had a heck of a day yesterday. Battery was dead on the mower for starters. Then we had a flat tire in the front. Wasn't really flat, but it was parked on one of our parking blocks in the trailer, and it got really cold, so it was like frozen and had like a notch. Basically, it took a little while. We put the heater on it and heated it up. Had to put a little air in it. Anyways, what else? Then we bent that tab. We had the truck lost power for a little bit. All kinds of problems. It was awesome day yesterday. Very frustrating, but it is what it is.